here. And there's a car after a car crashed over here. I don't know what happened with it. There's something in this tube. Oh, there's actually an engine in here. A big V4 engine. We got engine over here too. Big one. But I don't really know what car it's on. Here's Ford in here. This one right here. Oh, there's a new engine in here. New engine packed up. I think they take it from there. There's a big hole in there. This one still works. It have a big damage in here, but it still works. It's a random sound like this. Oh, it got damaged. I actually like this car. But they let me sit in here. Look at this. Trash. Airbag, you know. This one. And that one. Yo, what happened?